morning, lady. Brought some weird looking peanuts. I brought the premium walnuts, of course. But nobody's been feeding since probably yesterday. Because I ate all the walnuts I left yesterday. Same walnuts. Uh-oh, what do you got? What do you got? What do you see? Is there a squirrel finally showing up? Huh? Gonna leave her equipment there. Oh yeah, there's. I see him. Finally! You didn't like those peanuts, huh? They look funny. They look like spicy peanuts or something. Chili oil peanuts. If there's such a thing. I'm sure there is. You know, I don't know what the name of the spice is, but there's a Mexican little bottled spice. I'll show it later in another video. That you put on fruit and nuts and things. This guy's skittish. Maybe because the wind's pretty solid right now. Maybe like 20 kilometer at least maybe 25 kilometer wind, and it's constant from the west, from the ocean. The ocean's that way and the ocean's that way. We're on a kind of a slanted shore right here. Where'd he go? I hear him, but I don't see him. Where'd he go? You're the one that saw him from way over there. Where'd he go? And the crows, our crow buddies are up there. At least one of them. Surprised they haven't eaten those peanuts. They must be some wicked. I should probably taste one of those peanuts and see what it is. What do you think? Should I do that? No, let's not do that. I'm not that adventuresome. I'm not that adventuresome, am I? No, not really. No, not me. I've eaten my dog's bison. That's no problem. And her mackerel, just to see if it was okay. Different mackerels that she would get. We get Moroccan mackerel, Polish mackerel, and good old California mackerel in the big can. Big mackerel. About as thick as my wrist. I don't know how they get into that can. Squeeze, press it. Oh, there he is. Okay, there he is. All right. Are you holding back? Are you holding back? What's going on? Are you afraid? Are you Ernie? I can't tell. Gotta see your tail. You look like Ernie. You look like Ernie. Big, fat Ernie. Big dog Ernie. Are you grooming? What's going on? I got this image stabilization on. That's good because my hand is probably wobbling all over the place. My hands. Holding him using two hands. I'm looking up and I'm not getting too dizzy, so that's a good sign. I think I feel better. Yeah, a little bit. He's up there. Amber, look. Amber. No, over here. Look. Amber. Where are you looking? You see another one? She's spotting all the squirrels before I do. I don't see that one. Crow or something. What was that? Yeah, there's a crow above me. Made a little. Are the crows bothering you? Is that what's going on? Is it the crows or the wind? I hear a lot of crows. I don't hear a lot of squirrels. They've been really quiet lately. Usually they do a lot of, you know, chittering and talking to type thing. They've been quiet lately. So I don't know what's going on. There's a big long, not that one. There's a big long stick over there. Maybe somebody's been harassing them. You know, kids do wicked things. Where do they learn that from? TV, I think. I don't know. I grew up with different TV. I grew up with moral TV. There's always a moral to the story in the half-hour sitcom, or not sitcom, but half-hour western, or I don't know, Dennis the Menace, or whatever the hell I watched back then. Father Knows Best. I I like that show. I'm dating myself, aren't I? Father knows best. I thought mom knows best. You gonna wait him out? You gonna wait for him? He's right above me. Amber, Amber, look over here. Amber, over here. Amber, look over there. You see him? Oh, you see him now. Oh, there you go. See? Good one, huh? Yeah, and now you're like, he's way up there. That's like 20 feet in the air. I can't get there. 6 meters away. Yeah. Not like he's a meter away. And I still can't catch him. You gotta be nice to the squirrel puppies, Amber. Yeah, they sleep out here all night. Scary. They only have each other. And, probably the cats. You know, I've never seen a cat out here. And that's strange. Used to have a friend with Savannah cats. If you look up Savannah cats, they're like a wild cat, and he breeds them and sells them for like $20,000 a piece. And I always ask him, hey, if you got a spare one, let me have it. And my dog, Cheyenne met one of his Savannah cats, and it was like another dog, and it was like totally not recognition that it was a cat or a wild animal. Maybe it was a recognition of a wild animal. I don't know. Maybe she has respect that way. She has respect that way. A lot of crows. Wish they'd come in and eat the peanuts. It's a nice day. Just windy. Faint haze, but warm. The water was warm at the beach yesterday, according to all the people that stuck their toes in it. There was some guys swimming across the river. It's always warm, pretty much. Well, I'm bored. Are you? Let's go get your stuff. Alright. Say goodbye. Where are you? Oh shoot, I lost him. Oh, there he is. Wait a minute. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Is that him? No. Is that him? No. Is that him? That's him. I see your red belly. I see your red gold belly. Just grooming, huh? Doing some grooming today. Getting ready for the weekend. Squirrels getting ready for the weekend. Not eating. Too excited. They gotta just get all fluffed up and ready to go. Bye, Ernie. Whoop. Still itching. Wow. I hope they don't have fleas. They could be raining fleas on Amber right now. Alright, Amber gets flea treatment. Amber, you get flea treatment today. You hear me? Alright. See you later.